This is my son's Fire HD 8 Kids Edition tablet. As you can see, he cracked the screen. And normally, that would be a problem, right? Cracked screens, now you have to pay money to get them replaced. But that's the great thing about the Fire HD 8 Kids Edition or any of the Kids Edition tablets is that they come with a 2-year worry-free guarantee. So you can send it back to Amazon, or at least according to them, you can send it back to them and they'll replace it with no questions asked. So I tried that. This is my experience with the 2-year worry-free guarantee, and hopefully this video gives you an idea of what to expect when it comes to Amazon's warranty programs on their Fire Kids Edition tablets. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with submitting this claim. So I still have the tablet here. When I went to submit the claim, it's kind of hard to figure out where to go to submit a claim for the 2-year worry-free guarantee on these Fire Kids Edition tablets. I went on my devices, there was nowhere where it said I could submit a claim or submit a warranty request, nowhere. So I ended up just calling customer service. There's two options. You can either call customer service or you can chat with them on the application. I ended up just chatting with someone, but you can also call if you prefer just to talk to somebody over the phone. I'll leave the phone number to Amazon customer service in the description below, but chatting was really quick. I logged into my Amazon account, went to customer service, started up a chat. They asked me a few questions. They asked me to verify the serial number for the Fire HD 8 Kids Edition that I have. They asked me to verify my address, and that was pretty much it. It literally took me about 5 minutes to submit the claim. They sent me a UPS label that I can print out so I can send this tablet to them. Now they did tell me that once they received my broken tablet, my broken Kids Edition tablet, it would take them up to 5 business days for them to send me the replacement tablet. So your child will be out of a tablet for a few days, but that may not be a bad thing. You know, a break from technology is always good. So just keep that in mind. They're not going to send you the replacement right away. They still have to receive your broken tablet to send you the replacement afterwards. But my experience has been really quick so far. I submitted the claim, they sent me the label, and now I'm going to ship it. I made sure to take out my SD card and completely clear the tablet. Do a hard reset on the tablet before you send it out. You don't want any of your personal information on the tablet when you send it back to Amazon. So now I'm going to go ahead and just ship it out, and I'm going to have to wait about 5 business days to get a replacement tablet for my son.
We're sending you back to the future.
And with the power of editing, here is a tablet that Amazon sent me over. Now it took me about 5 days to get this tablet in. I shipped it out on a Monday. It arrived at my house on a Saturday. So it was actually pretty quick. I didn't have to wait too long to get the replacement tablet from Amazon. So now we're gonna unbox it, see what kind of tablet you get from them, and see if this 2-year worry-free guarantee is actually worth it for the Kids Edition tablets. Now, one thing I forgot to mention before I shipped it out, you wanna make sure you keep all the accessories from your previous Kids Edition tablet, like the kid-proof case. You wanna make sure you keep that because Amazon is not gonna send you out another kids-proof case. They're just gonna send you another tablet by itself. It would have been nice if they did because this kids proof case is getting pretty messed up. It's getting pretty beat up, but that's not what they covered. They're only going to cover the tablet. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this tablet and let's see what you get from Amazon. Now this is, yeah, you can see it right there in the back. This is a Fire HD 8, a refurbished Fire HD 8. So you're not going to get a brand new tablet, you're going to get a refurbished tablet. So keep that in mind. If you were expecting a brand new tablet, that's not what this 2-year worry-free guarantee is going to cover. You're going to get a refurbished tablet. But let's go ahead and see what condition this tablet actually is in. Take that little part off from the top. And let's open this up. We'll put this to the side. And there you go. We see the tablet right here on top. And they actually send you another charging cable, which is nice. A USB type A to USB type C. Just in case you don't have yours or you lost your previous one, you get another one inside the box as well. No charging brick, just the cable by itself. But it's nice that Amazon included that, because they really didn't have to. And let's take a look at this tablet now. So, take it out of this plastic. It looks to be in pretty good condition, to be honest. All things considered. Yeah, it's in pretty decent condition. I don't see any scratches on the back. Maybe some. No, I don't see any scratches at all on the back. Pretty good condition. The front. This is pretty impressive. Amazon sent a pretty, looks like brand new tablet. Obviously they say it's refurbished, but it's not in bad shape. There's no scratches on the back plastic. Buttons are clicky. Let's go ahead and power this on and see if there's any battery. Those are my fingerprints on the front, so don't think that they sent it with fingerprints on the front, if you can see them. And it's loading up. And there you go. You just go through the startup process. You go ahead and set up the tablet like if it was brand new. And that's it. Let's go ahead and make sure that it fits the kids-proof case that we have. All right, there you go. It fits the kids-proof case, no problem. Definitely need a new kids-proof case. This one has seen better days, but the tablet seems to be in great working order. And I'm gonna set it up, and there you go. You got your Fire HD 8 Kids Edition tablet replaced. It was actually a really easy process. Like I mentioned before, I just went online, chatted with a customer service rep from Amazon. They sent me the label to ship my tablet back. It shipped out pretty quickly, got it in about 5 days. The tablet's in very good shape. It says it's refurbished. It looks brand new. So it's definitely worth going with the Kids Edition tablets, because if your child happens to break the screen, crack the back, anything happens to the tablet, you can just ship it back to Amazon. They'll replace it. They didn't ask me any questions, what happened to it, anything like that. No questions asked. They shipped me back another one, a refurbished unit. It's definitely worth going with the Kids Edition tablets like this one. I'll leave a link to the Fire HD 8 Kids Edition tablet. If you haven't seen my review on the Fire HD 10 Kids Edition tablet, I'll leave a link to that video as well. So check it out. These are definitely worth it because you get pretty much everything your child's gonna need when it comes to software and content. And if they happen to break it, you can easily replace it. Very easy process. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.